I know what you're thinking. Sweet beard, Vince, man. Well, you're right, but that's not why I'm here right now. I'm here to tell you what's happening at AirsoftMegastore.com. Sweet Flyye Industries Paracord bracelet, spend over $39 and it's yours. Well, here's another sweet deal. Spend $99 and you get this sweet full-size Deltaforce MP40 spring rifle. Yeah, it's just like the one from Call of Duty. I know. What am I gonna do with this spring rifle, Vince, man? Get creative. I, for example, am gonna take mine, aim it at this van, and let my editor put swag all over the post-production and help me blow this up. Who doesn't like free?